Potassium and prunes are a natural constipation remedy that you can quickly use to help you get constipation relief. Potassium is needed in your colon walls to ensure that peristaltic action occurs. Without potassium, colon walls are weak and unable to respond and contract properly when fecal matter needs to be moved. Potassium in your colon wall tissues brings in more oxygen, which is required for good cell function and elimination of toxins. In addition, potassium creates an alkaline environment inside and outside the cell, which help protect cell walls from bacteria, fungus, and other pathogens. Potassium is a powerful source when it comes to cleaning, feeding and building your colon walls. Removing the thin layer of built-up hardened mucus, dried fecal matter, waste debris, heavy metals, against your colon wall can be accomplished by eating those foods that are high in potassium. Excess buildup on your colon walls of fecal matter and toxins is a cause of continual constipation. This buildup prevents your colon walls from functioning properly. Potassium is necessary for reducing anxiety and depression. These conditions can affect peristaltic movements of your colon. Lack of it causes muscles and organs to sag and lack tone. Potassium, also, draws water out of the body. So when potassium is in your colon, it attracts water and pulls it into the fecal matter. This makes your fecal matter softer and easier to move along the colon. To get more potassium into your diet, make a constipation remedy drink by pouring hot water over dried prunes and waiting 10 minutes. Then eat the prunes and drink the juice. Do this on an empty stomach in the morning. The high concentration of potassium and vitamin A in prunes stimulates enzymatic processes. These processes melt down fecal wall wastes and dissolve blockages. They also activate peristaltic action to move this waste out through your rectum. The foods to eat that are high in potassium are kale, cabbage, yellow tomatoes, spinach, carrots, broccoli, cucumbers, cauliflower, alfalfa sprouts, goat milk, sesame seeds, wheat germ brewer's yeast, flax seed, grapes, green peppers, pineapple, beets and potatoes with skin blackstrap molasses. If you have any kidney disease, do not take potassium supplements unless directed by your doctor. If you are pregnant, take potassium only under a doctor's direction. If you are on any type of drugs, do not take potassium unless directed by your doctor. When you have constipation, it is best to take potassium supplement. Once you have your constipation eliminated, back off on the potassium you are taking and depend on your potassium dose from the foods you eat. The recommended potassium dose is 1,000 to 3,000 milligrams each day, taken with meals. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and a comment. Please also consider subscribing to this channel as a support and to benefit from more health tips in the future. Wish you great health.